Bonjour à tout le monde, c'est Madame Davis avec
Claire.
And today we're talking about weather phrases, yeah? Talking about the weather using these phrases over here. We learned in a previous tutorial about the seasons chant. So Claire, tu peux chanter avec moi? Guys, sing with us. Chantez avec nous les saisons. Here we go.
Printemps, été, automne, hiver.
Again. Printemps, été, automne, hiver.
Quelle est la saison? C'est hiver.
C'est l'hiver. D'accord. So now we're going to look at weather phrases and we ask the question. Our grande question is quel temps fait-il? Oui?
Oui.
Quel temps fait-il? And we have a variety here. In general, we can say it's beautiful. Il fait
beau.
Il fait beau, or it's bad weather.
Il fait mauvais.
Il fait mauvais. And then if we're talking about the temperature, we have this one here, here, and here. So we could say it's hot.
Il fait chaud.
Or it's chilly.
Il fait frais.
Or it's cold.
Il fait froid.
Il fait froid. Oui. And then we can say it's raining or it's snowing. It's raining.
Pleut.
Il pleut. And it's snowing.
Il neige.
Il neige. And then we have it's windy.
Il fait du vent.
It's sunny.
Du soleil.
Il fait du soleil. And the odd one is it is cloudy. Il est
nuageux.
Il est nuageux. Right. With most of these phrases, you say it makes a certain kind of weather. Il fait.
Or
but
it's.
But with this one, it is. Il est nuageux. Oui. D'accord. So, merci Claire.
Merci Madame Davis.
Okay. Au revoir. À plus tard.